Hi, my name is Sachin Sresh. I live in Delhi. I am 21 years old. My date of birth is 31st July 1999. I have two brothers. My elder brother name is Sanjay Sresh. My younger brother name is Sandeep Sresh. My father's name is Mr. Prem Sresh and my mother name is Mrs. Jamna Sresh. I work at second slope and I do telework and I teach in IIPL and I like computers and my hobby is computer teaching and playing cricket and I like watching movies and especially I like horror movies and I have two friends. My best friend name is Nikhil Gupta and my second best friend name is Amit Soni. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19.